Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to view group information on WhatsApp. This is a simple process, but it's essential for managing your groups and staying connected. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Look for the green icon with the white phone inside a speech bubble on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap it to launch WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the main chat screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your individual and group chats. Find the group chat you're interested in viewing. It might be a group for family, friends, work, or any other community you're a part of. Tap on the specific group chat from the list to open the conversation. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the name of the group. This is usually displayed prominently at the top. Simply tap on the group name. Tapping the group name will open the group info screen. Here, you'll find all sorts of details and settings related to the group. You can see the group description, a list of participants, media, and other options to manage the group. From here, you can explore various aspects of the group. You can see who the administrators are, view any shared media, and even adjust your notification settings for that specific group. This is also where you can find options to exit the group, or change the group's settings if you're an admin. And that's it. You've successfully viewed the group information on WhatsApp. This is a handy way to keep track of who's in the group, catch up on the group details, and manage your settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy chatting.